Welcome to our channel. It's not mine, ours. I want to let you know when you subscribe, you're joining a community. This is a community that wants to make the world a better place. And although that seems like a daunting task, this community realizes that through small positive actions, like taking information that can improve the quality of someone's life and sharing that all over the world, well, that monumental task becomes possible. Now, this channel is in its infancy, and one of the first baby steps is showing people that almost anyone, anywhere, can grow some of their own food, a basic necessity of life. We've got many, many more wonderful things planned, and we're all quite humbled and excited to have you join us on this journey. So what do you say? Let's make this happen. Be the change.